Everybody, welcome back to Bob Basic, and today we are gonna be making a whipper. No, not that one. We're going to be making the thing that you make cake and you stir the eggs. That thing. Yeah. For this experiment, you're gonna need some pliers. Some wire, a stick, and a pair of pliers.
What are you doing?
What?
Why are you using the new pliers?
What are you talking about?
Your dad finds out, he's gonna beat your ass.
I'm very sorry. Very sorry. Not those pair of pliers. These pair of pliers, because we don't waste new stuff in here. I'm gonna use our shitty ass pliers. Yeah. Let's get it.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel.
Now that your whisk is done, I finally found the name for it. It's a whisk. And if I'm wrong, you can correct me in the comments. And please disinfect this if you wanna use, because just because, not because of coronavirus. Yeah.
Boring.
Alright, see you in another video. Thank you for watching. See you next time on Bob Basic.